Good evening, or good afternoon, or good morning, whenever you're choosing to watch this. My name is Mr. Bracco. I'm your child's Algebra 2A teacher. Obviously, this year is going to be very, very different. I'm excited to hopefully get back into the classroom and really get into the regular swing of things. But for now, we're going to be virtual. We're still going to attack Algebra 2A the same way, get as much of this curriculum done as possible. The plan is to finish the whole thing. I don't see why we cannot. As far as class expectations, have the kids come on time, log in on time, hopefully, and please have them have their camera on so I can see, make sure they're engaged. Just a blank screen doesn't help me watch and make sure they're here learning, participating, etc. Tech, whatever tech they want to use, laptop, desktop. I prefer not the phone, but if that's what they need to use, that's what they need to use. Whatever they need to do to get the lesson, the full effects of the lesson. During class too, please encourage your kids to ask questions. If they're not comfortable unmuting themselves, they can throw it up in the chat and I'll see it and I'll gladly answer the questions for them. Grading, we're going to have assignments like homework assignments that will not be graded for correctness, just to see that they've put forth some effort. As long as I see that this stuff looks like what we're working on, they'll get credit. And little small checkpoints on, like, if there's one topic, we'll have a little checkpoint in the Google form so I could see where they're at, they know what they're doing, and they get some feedback that way. And then we'll have some quizzes on 2, 3, maybe 4 topics. As far as large assessments, I'm not sure where we're going to go with the large test yet. I want to see how these checkpoints and quizzes go in this virtual setting. I don't want any more unnecessary stress or invalid assessments just for the sake of doing it. I want to make sure what we're doing all has a purpose and we're getting something out of it. Support. I'm going to look to open a Google Classroom every Monday for Algebra 2 at 8:30, so kids can just go in there, they have some questions, and we can just take that time to help them. But what's easier, I think, for the kids is anytime they have a question, just tell them to ask me in a Google Classroom. They could put it as a private message or public, or email me. Even if it's just like a quick question. Hey, Mr. Bracco, I don't know what I'm doing on number 7. This part confused me. And I can give them a quick sentence or two on how to do it, and usually that helps them out just fine. Well, thank you for joining me in this virtual back-to-school night. I'm really excited to get back into the classroom with our students. Thank you, and enjoy your rest of your day.